want to toy around with their designs, they'll still be recognizable. Really. I mean, these things are easy, relatively easy. Some of you can draw these guys. Thinking of doing a video of like doing like 100 wacky crewmate designs. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching this till the end. You are amazing. I want to thank every one of you. It's been a great 6 years, going on 7 years. And I plan to be here and posting more than ever this year, okay? So hit that like button, hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much. I post a lot. I post maybe like 3 times a day sometimes 2 times a day. I'm trying to get us good. And I'm going to start posting the weekend now. So thank you so much. I will see you next time and we'll hang out, okay? I'm Enrique, and I'll see you very soon, all right? This has been easy pictures to draw.